Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use the referral code in TikTok. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there are a few things that you should do here before you can actually use a referral code. Now in this case, referral codes are usually only available to new users. So this is a way to give thanks from TikTok to the growing community on TikTok right now. Now in this case, if you have a referral code, first thing you have to ensure here is you have a updated TikTok mobile application. So in this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, search for TikTok, and make sure that you have the latest updates on TikTok. Now once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is we want to open up TikTok here, and we want to go to our profile, which is located at the bottom right. Now typically for new users, at the top left of your screen, you should see an icon there for you to enter your referral code. Now in this case, depending on the current event here, or if you're a new user, that icon will be available to you. Now in this case, currently the only icon that I have right now is the reward section for TikTok. But for new users, you might have, or you might see the icon for entering the referral codes in this section. Now in this case, if this is available to you, go ahead and click on it and just enter your referral code, and from there, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.